In this video, I'll show you how to install Twitch on Android TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. If you have an Android TV and you want to install Twitch without Google Play Store, here's what you can do. Now in this case, you're going to need this intermediate application called Downloader. It's a very useful application and must-have application for all Android TV users. Here's the application. If you don't have this application on your smart TV or Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to get the application to your Android TV. So once you've gotten the application, just launch it, and then on the keyboard or the box here, you're able to type in install Twitch or install Twitch to smart TV or to Android TV. So the right keyword I'll recommend you to type is install Twitch to Android TV. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to type in install Twitch. Now, when you type in the right keyword, the better the keyword, the better the results are going to look like. So if I type in a keyword like this, here's what is going to happen. They're only going to show us the various results depending on the keyword that I type in. So as you can see, here's the Twitch website. Here's the download button or install button for Google Play Store. So I think this can work. You can always go through to see various other options. Alright, so once you check the option that is good for you, just click on it and follow the instructions that are there. So for instance, in this one, if I click on install here, the application is going to be installed to my Android TV. If this doesn't work for you, you can always come back here and search for other options, or in best case scenario, search for the APK. So instead of typing install Twitch, you're going to type in Twitch APK for Android TV, and that can always work. So like and subscribe to the channel if you find a video helpful.